Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can change your Zyxel P661 NU F1 router settings. First, you have to connect your modem to your phone or your computer. After you connect it, you have to open web browser page and type 192.192 168.1.1. After you go to this website, you will see login page. In this login page, you have to type kullanıcı adı is mean your username and şifre is password. In kullanıcı adı, username must to be admin and şifre password must to be 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you have to click on login. On the next page, at the under, you will see ayarları. It is settings of your internet. You have to click on this and then you have to choose geniş band. You have to choose this one. And then on this page, you have to click on this pen icon for change your setting of your internet. After you click on this pen icon, you will get this page. In this page, you have to type your username and your password. You have to get your username and password from your internet service. After you get your username and password, you have to type it in here and then click on next. You have to go next. After that, your settings will be done. And now we will try to change your wireless. You have to click on ayarları and after that you have to choose kablosuz. After you choose this, you will see this page. In this page, you can change your wireless name and make a Wi-Fi password. After you make your wireless name and password, you have to click on uygula. It's like save. After you save, your wireless name and password will be changed. If you have any problem or any question, you can call 11858 call center. If you call them, they will help you about your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget, like it. Have a good day. Bye.